Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to check out how to use Bright to build credit without going into debt. Building credit doesn't mean racking up balances, and with Bright you can grow your credit profile without falling into debt. First, connect your credit cards and bank accounts. Bright will monitor your balances, your due dates, and payment histories all automatically. Use your credit cards for small manageable purchases like a monthly subscription or groceries, and let Bright handle the rest. It pays off your minimums on times every time, and if you have extra cash, it applies small payments to keep your balance low. This builds a positive payment history and keeps your credit utilization in check. Two key factors in growing your credit score. No debt spirals, no interest, just small automated progress towards stronger credit powered by Bright. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.